So today we're doing a little behind the scenes stuff here in the studio, and the first thing I want to show you is all of these soap scraps that I've been saving for the past several months, and I'm donating it to a company, a nonprofit, and it is called the Eco Soap Bank, and they employ women around the world you donate the soap, mostly soap makers or other like beauty businesses that have soap. You donate the soap to them. You pay like a $10 thing per month to help support, and they employ women around the world. And then what they do is they then sanitize the soap. They kind of rebatch it and make more soap, and then they send it to children around the world, things that we take for granted like soap, and it helps to fight diseases and all the things to keep them healthy and safe. So this is my first shipment, and that will go out today or probably tomorrow. I just want to share that with you guys. And if you're a soap maker and if you would like to be a part of it, again, I will have everything in the description box if you ever want to be a part of it. But it's called Eco Soap Bank, and you can donate to them, and yeah, it will be a good thing. All right, so I have some new soap equipment, or like slab to like level up my production. So this is a 25-pound slab soap mold, and I just got it the other day. And the company is Workshop Heritage Supplies, and they do these marvelous soap molds, and they're handmade, very sturdy, solid wood, and it also comes with a soap liner. And so what I used to do is I would have, and I don't have any of those because I sold them, I used to have the 10 pounds, what are they even 10 pounds? They weren't even 10 pounds, I think they were 5 pounds. Soap molds from Brambleberry, like the silicone molds, loaf molds. And when I would make soap, I would have to have like 5 molds to make 45 bars. This is 25 pounds, and it will make 60 bars of soap. So it's gonna make my life so much easier. I only have one so far, but I'm gonna get more. And so I want to show you that. And it's really cool because it has the silicone liner in it. So I would just pour the soap directly in it, and then I could put the lid on to help with the saponification process, meaning the soap will heat up and do its thing. And so I have that. What I bought originally was this 17-pound mold, and it has same thing, same kind of setup, different company. I got this one from Etsy, and very well made as well, but the dimensions don't work for the soap. I wanted to have the same size soap that I have currently, and this works for that. This does not. I would have to do a lot of math and and I don't want to do all that. So I am selling this mold. I put it on a Facebook group, destashing group, and so I'm selling that mold, as well as this old soap mold that I have, and also has a silicone liner. And I'm selling her these other extra liners, and then this small soap mold. So that is a good way to just get rid of stuff, because I have limited space here in the studio, and I just wanted to be able to get rid of some stuff and get some of my money back, because this mold has never been used, but I figured out that it wouldn't work for me. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna pack that up. And I'm gonna, and the other thing that I sold to her too was this soap cutter. All from this is from Brambleberry. These two are from Brambleberry as well. So I'm gonna pack this one up first, because I'm gonna have to ship it in 3 different boxes. So we got the soap cutter. Here, and then I'm gonna pack it with lots of tissue paper to kind of protect it. And this thing sold so quickly. Like I posted it last night, I guess about 10 o'clock, and she reached out to me immediately and asked for, you know, how much the shipping would be and all of that. So the last time I did this, I actually paid for shipping, and that was not a good move because it was way more expensive. But I was just trying to get rid of this stuff, but people are more than willing to pay for shipping. So I'm just trying to make sure it doesn't move. So that's that box. And she also purchased this soap mold that I was just talking about, the 17-pound one. And I'm just gonna put it in the box that my 25-pound mold came in, slab mold. And this, I think I'm gonna wrap with bubble wrap. Just a little bit anyway. And then I'm gonna put the smaller mold in here. I think I'll put it sideways. I'll put the bubble wrap in between. And then more tissue paper on the side. So yeah, we don't waste nothing over here. Anything that I can, you know, bless somebody else with and sell it at a very, very discounted price, that I'm gonna do that, especially this slab mold. I have never used it. I paid $125 for it, I think. And I sold it to her for $75. And so that's what's gonna go in this box. I will close this one up. I'm gonna put some more tissue paper around it. So it won't move while it's in the box. And that is that. And I'll tape this one up. I think I'll do that off camera too. I'll just let you see what I'm packing. One of the things, this one, I don't have a big enough box here, but I think I have a big enough box at home. So I'm gonna bring that box in and make sure that it fits. And then I'll send everything to her out today. If not today, then on Monday, I'll send everything out to her. So yeah, so that's what's happening with that. But I cannot wait to use this mold. It's gonna save me so much time on production, making soap, like making 25 pounds of 1 cent. As I'm pointing over there because that's where the soap is. It's already complete. So yeah, and I have another thing coming because, again, I'm opening this up again, because this is gonna be like a huge 25-pound slab. So I won't be able to slice it or cut the soap like I showed you, that soap cutter. I won't be able to use that until I cut it into loaves. And so I have one of those coming, and it's a loaf slicer, and that is gonna ship on Monday. So I'm gonna pack a big order, 25 body butters, the 4 ounce. And so I'm gonna do that really quick. And I know that she has 5 of everything, but then 3 agarwood and 2 candy citrus. So I'm short, so I have to get up on this little step stool here. So we got 5 cashmere. Hopefully they'll fit in all in this little bin. 5 cashmere, 5 more vanilla sugar. And I think I was saying, like on a video that I had done, that the 4 ounces had sold out, and this is why, because I had this big order, and then I had 2 other big orders. One person ordered 55 4 ounce, and then another person ordered like 20. So that kind of sold me out. So 3 agarwood and then 2 candy citrus. And this lady is local, and so I'm gonna pack this up for her. And it's an older lady, so I might even deliver it to her. She doesn't live far. So just gonna transfer this stuff to a box. I think I'm just gonna take it to her. So and I'll just put it in this box and make sure I have the count right. So make sure that my inventory is right. So yeah, the 5 raw honey, 5 warm vanilla sugar, 5 rekindle, and then 3 agarwood and 2 candy citrus. So these are going, I have to contact her to see when she wants me to bring it by to her. It's for an event that she's having with her church in April, but I knew that they would be sold out because they're going to be gone. This is the end of body butter season. I've said it before, and so, you know, I don't sell it beyond March because, you know, it's warmer, especially certain parts of the country. It just doesn't make sense to do that. So, but that's why we have the new body lotion. I was gonna say body butter, body lotion. And so that's gonna be coming out soon to replace the body butter for the warmer months. And so, but the body lotion will be sold year round. So looking forward to that, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. So I've packed that up, and then I want to show y'all something. I'm gonna bottle the body wash. So we're gonna do that now. So now I'm packing, which I'm so excited about. This machine here, it's a bottle filler. It's a product filler to fill bottles. You can fill jars and all those things. And I've had it for like 2 years, and I didn't think it worked. I bought it for my body butter, and I thought my body butter was too thick. But no, it was me. It's user error. I had something in this little chamber thing here that I didn't have in correctly. So now it's all good. So I'm gonna show you the magic. So I usually have to, I think I have to do like 7 pumps to fill this 8-ounce bottle. And I've tried it out a few times. And here's some that I already did, but I wanted to show y'all what it looked like. And so I've overfilled it, and I have my scale here just to ensure that I have 8 ounces in there. So the bottle is about 1 ounce, and then so if it's 9 ounces, then I know that I'm good. So I'll put that in too. So I think I have to do it like 7 times. That's 3, 4, 5. And then I'll just do like a little more, and I think that'll get me to 8 ounces without overfilling it. So I'm just gonna test out this one on the scale to make sure that it's at 8 ounces. Man, that's pretty good. So actually the bottle is 95 ounces. I mean, well, not 95, 0.95 ounces. So we're perfect. I've done this a few times, so now I know what to do. So I'll just do a few more with y'all. And this makes my life so much easier. Just having to, because what I was gonna do is just like use a funnel and all of that. And so, let's see if I got that one right. This one is have a little more than that, and I'll fix it. I have to take some of it out. I have a little dropper to do with that. Let's try it out. And that's even more. So I have to go back and I have a little dropper, like I said, and I'll just take some of the product out and then put it back in the thing up here. So I'll do that if I need to. I cannot wait for y'all to try this. See if I can do a little more, a little less, I mean. That feels lighter. 8.9. So I need just a tad bit more. 905. Yeah, that's a little over, but that's fine. Now let's do these 2 more. Y'all should have saw me in here yesterday. I was like, oh my gosh, this thing works. I got it to work. But again, it was user error. That's a little. That one is perfect. That's like an ounce over, but I'll fix it. So that is it. That is it for, you know, this vlog. I hope you've had a good time looking at like the behind the scenes stuff and kind of what a typical day looks like for me. And I'm gonna finish this up, just put the lids and stuff on it, clean up a little bit, and that will be it. I'll see y'all in the next one.